All right, it's the 11th of July, and Hayden wants me to ask him a question. He's going to answer the question. Okay, what are we doing tomorrow?
Going to Great Wolf Lodge.
Yeah, where's that?
Niagara Falls.
Okay. Do you want to say anything else? This is the Bitcoin analysis update for the week. Do you know anything about Bitcoin? No, not really, eh?
Nothing.
Do you know what it is? No? Okay, that's fine. You can go. Okay. He's 10. So 10-year-olds don't really know anything about Bitcoin. Are you going to start learning about Bitcoin?
No.
You're not? Okay. No interest in it?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay. Because you know it's some kind of money, right? Yeah. Okay. So let's get to the Bitcoin analysis. It's pretty simple. Now you're probably, if you've been watching these videos, you probably understand like what I'm doing with my Bitcoin buys. Is I basically buy when it breaks a level. I don't try and what they call like catch the knife. It's just, it's a bad way to buy is to try and catch like buy the, because you hear a lot of people say, oh, buy the dip, guys. Personally, sure, you can do it if you want. But personally myself, it's like, okay, if you're buying the dip, when are you buying? Like there's dips all the way through here, right? I'm sure some people were saying up here, oh, buy the dip. And then people bought here. And then now, they're holding their buy from all the way up here. They're still holding it down here, right? So this is what I do. And I know I've went over this in a couple other Bitcoin videos, but there are, new people coming in. And for these Bitcoin, what is going on with Bitcoin videos, it's more along the lines of like just kind of explaining how I do my buys. And it's really freaking simple, extremely simple. So I wait for price to drop 50%. Okay. I don't look at Bitcoin unless it's dropped 50%. If it's dropped 50%, then I start looking at it. Okay. So that's the first thing. Wait, it drops 50%. And then boom, you're in a bear market. Okay. I know that sounds crazy because we trade the NASDAQ and US30 and all those gold and stuff. And it's like if something was to drop 50%, it'd be the end of the world. But in cryptocurrencies, that's like a normal thing to happen in the cycle is for it to pull back 50% there. Okay. So you can see from the top all the way down here, this is a little bit over 50%, but normally around the 50% mark is its like likely bottom. Okay. So you have that 50%, and then every time it starts to go sideways and it breaks a level, that's when I buy. Okay. So for instance, I bought down here just because this huge crash was amazing. But here's the thing is I actually sold this buy. I sold it like around this. I think I sold it around this area here. No, sorry. It was over here that I sold this buy here. I bought here. So I bought one buy there. I sold that buy here. I bought here. So this buy here is actually in these Bitcoin analysis videos, right? There's a buy here and there's a buy right here. Okay. So would I just buy at this level right now? No, I wouldn't buy. Even though I bought up here, I wouldn't buy right here because it's showing signs that it's not breaking through this level. It's showing signs that it's, finding some resistance and it could possibly come back down, right? So if it was to come down here, break this level and start trading here, and then come up and break this level, this is where I'd want to buy. If it doesn't come down and it breaks above here and starts trading up here, then I'm buying. Okay, so that's basically what I do. This is a historical date in Bitcoin. If you go back and you look at October 5th, every single year, it's a date where it's a low, it's a high, it's a break of a sideways move that is lasting for months long. It's a weird date, guys. So I put that on my chart because I'm thinking possibly maybe that's something. Maybe we go sideways and that's when it actually breaks out. Do you want to say bye to everybody? You can come over and just say bye.
Bye.
It's YouTube, right? And stuff. I'll put this on YouTube. So he loves being on YouTube. That's why he's doing it. Is that why you're doing it? Because you want to be on YouTube? Yeah, okay. Okay, all right. See you guys. Bye-bye.
Yes.